with Kennedy. Today we're talking about solubility. And today we're using salt, some sugar, measuring cup, test tubes in the test tube holder, a pipette, a measuring slide,
magnifying glass,
and a measuring spoon that helps you.
So Kennedy said we're talking about solubility. Solubility is the ability for a substance to mix into a liquid. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this experiment, and we will see what happens as we go along. So you're looking at it. Are you detecting any differences between the salt and sugar?
Yes.
What's the difference? Can you tell me? What do you see?
Salt.
Salt, and what about the salt?
It's kind of tasty.
No, you shouldn't be tasting it. Stand up. Looks like the salt has bigger crystals than the sugar, and that could be because we're using kosher salt. You know? What's happening to the sugar?
It disappears, and it's kind of wobbly because you gotta move it side to side because it's really shaky.
So what you're trying to say is it dissolved.
It dissolves.
Wait, look at the salt.
It disappears.
Or it did what? It dissolved.
It dissolves, and this disappears.
Swirl.
Solubility is hard because it makes the things that disappears.
Don't shake it, swirl. Hey, now what kind of science experiment are you doing sticking your fingers in the test tube? So Kennedy, what do you think? They dissolved?
They dissolve.
They did dissolve. Now, what we figured out, and I don't know if we did this right because Kennedy was squeezing a little bit too much on the pipette, but it appears from what we found is that the sugar dissolved quicker, or in less water, let me say it that way, in less drops of water than the salt.
This is a little spoon.
Solubility, folks. The ability for a substance to mix into a liquid. Our substances were salt and sugar. Liquid was water.